Hi, do you own a video slider? If you do, or if you're familiar with them, or you have an opinion on them, or you just have an opinion, I'd like yours in the comments in this video. I purchased the Great Video Maker slider from Amazon, the one that's being shown on the screen right now, based upon a review done by David O'Dwyer, whose link is now being shown on the screen. After watching his review, which was 20 minutes long, and normally I hate videos over 4 minutes, I decided to buy one myself. It works great, it does everything it's supposed to do, except this particular slider has got to go back. And the reason it has to go back is two reasons. One, well, as you can see, the screen is turning white, so when you want to go to use it, you can't read it. The only way to redo that is to turn it off and reset it. Now, as you can see, I have the camera on the slider, and I just started it. It won't stop automatically at the end of the rail, so I'll have to remember to do that. In the meantime, I'm filming this. What I want to do is talk about the noise. When the camera is recording on the slider, it makes a lot of noise. So I recorded 5 different cameras at two different speeds, 50% and 90%, and recorded the sound it makes naturally with no enhancement of that video. And you could tell me if you think it's usable or not. I'm not sure if that's normal with sliders. The first camera I used was my Osmo Pocket, which is this little guy, and I will tell you about the others. In the meantime, I am filming this right now using the Pocket on the slider, filming it with my Arri Alexa. Now, if you don't know what an Arri Alexa is, that is an Arri Alexa. Now, if you got a good laugh out of that, that's actually my Canon S110 that I did not use for the test, but I will in a minute when I turn off the slider, which is reaching the end of its track right now. So I will just turn that off and discuss the rest of the camera. I then used the Osmo Pocket. I used my iPhone attached to the slider. I used my Lumix LX10, which I love. It's a great video camera. The infamous GoPro Hero 4, and of course, the mighty Fuji X-T3. So what I did is I recorded the slider going front or back, and I'll only play maybe 5 or 6 seconds of each piece, labeled on the screen so you can clearly tell what you're listening to. And at the end, leave your comments. I don't care if you subscribe. I don't care if you like the video. I don't monetize my videos. I don't look to make any. The problem is I'm probably not going to get a whole lot of views anyway. But if you can help me out by sharing this with anyone that does use a slider or whatever, that would be wonderful. In the meantime, I'll start it going backwards so you can see, and I'm going to let you hear what the Canon S10 sounds like when it's just using the slider video. So this is a test without using the lavalier mic of what the audio sounds like on the S10, and it's running at about 25% at the moment in speed. Naturally, as you can tell by the previous videos, what it sounds like faster. So thanks for watching. Leave a comment. I really appreciate it, and I answer all comments, especially the ones from this video. Have a great day.